Okay, we are currently back at Rusty's shop. He has had this backhoe apart, separated 3 or 4 times, but he is missing something. He can't figure out what is going on, so me and my buddy Jim here going to help him. Gonna split this case apart and put a clutch pressure plate in. So, but yeah, he just what I'm gonna do is missing something. Oh, you got your.
I'm gonna hook this come along to this pickup.
Yep, and just slide it forward.
Well, the theory is good.
Right.
Okay, now, every time I've done this before, I can literally
just roll it forward.
Yeah, but I think I just roll the wheels.
Yeah.
But I don't know what the problem is. I found one bolt that I had taken out, but
Oh, you did find one.
remember where I had you?
Crack that line open.
Yeah, on the fitting. The reason I wanted that fitting off so I could get the bolt behind it. I got the fitting off.
Hold on. All right, go.
Got the fitting off.
You just got pressure on it.
There's enough tension there. That should be rolling.
Right.
This thing rolls easy. Okay, now first thing I'm gonna do
It's starting to pull apart here. This is
what I gotta do is though I gotta lift the back of the motor up.
Right.
Oh, 'cause it sits in a notch there.
So I gotta let this down. I want to be on the other side of this. I gotta lift the back of the motor up and center it in that horseshoe,
Right.
and then it should roll.
Should being the key word.
The theory is good.
Yep. So you found the missing bolt that was keeping it from rolling? Hopefully.
Well, I'll tell you in a second. Let me get this.
I'm gonna go to the other side and have a look.
Right. Yeah, so my buddy Jim here, he's kind of a jack of all trades, just like me. He has worked on anything from semis all the way down to Yugos. So, another set of eyes is always a good thing to have on getting stuff going. So, we'll keep you updated.
Okay, there's 6 bolts.
Y'all have a good day.
Oh, I'm gonna keep it going. Hold on. All right, go ahead. Explain it.
There's 6 bolts on the side carriage on each side. Those big ones, those 5/16.
Right? 15/16.
Yeah.
The big 3 on each side.
There's 2 on the bottom, 2 on the top.
4 on each side.
So that makes 6, and there's 10 or 12 bolts, and I think they're all out.
Yep.
Okay, now this should center.
On that.
I'll watch this. Oh, hey.
All right, it's moving.
There you go.
All right, I've got to get this camera put down.
Is it centered?
Not quite yet.
All right. Hold on. Watch it on time lapse.
This is